In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a Twitter account in 2020. So if you want to do this, then keep watching the video and then you should be able to create your own account after watching the video. Let's get started right now. So first of all, you want to go to the website from Twitter, and you can also do this in the app on your phone. But for this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it on your PC. So you want to go to Twitter, and then right there you'll see the login page basically, or you can click on sign up. So click on sign up, and right here you can start creating your account. So you want to put in your name, of course. So I'm just going to put in my channel name. Now you can sign up with your phone number, or you can use email instead. So click on that if you want to sign up with an email, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So right now I'm going to put in my email, and then I'm going to click on next. Click on next, there we go. Now right now you can customize your experience. So this is up to you if you guys want to do this or not. Click on next, click on sign up right here, and there you go. So right now they're going to send you a code to that email. Once you then verify that code, you've just created your account. Now, if this video helps you out, please consider leaving a like. Let me know in the comments down below if it works, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.